A rainy day adventure. Today, it rained all morning, so I couldn't play outside. But I didn't let that stop me from having fun. I decided to go on a rainy day adventure in my house. I pretended my living room was a jungle. I built a fort using blankets and chairs and imagined it was my jungle hut. I packed a backpack with snacks and my flashlight. Then I crawled into my fort and pretended to explore the jungle. I imagined seeing wild animals like lions and monkeys. I even pretended to find hidden treasure. When I got hungry, I ate my snacks inside the fort. After a while, the rain stopped and the sun came out. I took down my fort, but I had so much fun playing inside. Even on rainy days, you can have the best adventures if you use your imagination. Next time it rains, I'll be ready for another adventure.